Hi students, good morning. Today I have prepared one video on questions of relations with regard to matrices and integers. So in matrices also relations and functions will be playing role. Second point is number of functions of surjection with certain conditions. So number of functions of the onto functions, number of onto functions or surjections with certain conditions. Permutations and combinations involved in that case. Permutations and combinations involved in it, in the number of functions. So in the functions relations also, these permutations and combinations are involved. The functions, the relations, permutations and combinations, that is combinatorics, probability, these topics are involved with any branch of maths. Okay. And now, increasing decreasing function involved with f dash equal to 0 from calculus. Increasing decreasing functions also given today involved with f dash equals to 0 from calculus. Next one, some functions given involved with functional equations. Some functions, questions on some functions given involved with functional equations, real valued functional equations, and also sigma notations. Sigma, regular sigma notations also. These are the coverage today's video. So different various questions I discussed in this video. Please follow it carefully, follow the video, and once I told, if you have any clarifications, please ask me, I will clarify it. Okay? Don't waste time. Please go through this video containing all this what I told. New video. Okay? Go through it. Consider the following relation or on the set of real square matrices of order 3. Square size matrices order 3 or equals to set of matrix A, B such that A equals to matrix A equals to P inverse BP. P is one matrix, P is another matrix, P is invertible matrix. A equals to P inverse BP for some invertible matrix P. This is the set given in the matrix. Here, why question is given down? Because this is very large option. Like this, 4 large options will be given. It's somewhat difficult when you are not careful to watch or to observe the large matter of options. R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation in this case when matrix must be square matrix. So for multiplication there will be no problem of order 3. 3 by 3 matrix, square matrix, so we can multiply. A into B we can multiply, B into A we can multiply, A inverse into A we can multiply, A into A inverse we can multiply, because that is order 3 and moreover square matrix. Relation or set of AB such that A equals to P inverse BP for some invertible P. First, we have to prove reflexive. A or A, that is reflexive. Implies A equals to P inverse AP, because in the question it is given A equals to P inverse BP. So A equals to P inverse AP when A R to A equals to P inverse AP. A equals to, because all these square matrices, that is why we can write like this, P inverse P of A. We can keep this in one bracket. Okay, because square matrices. What is P inverse P? That is I, identity matrix, IA. What is IA? I. Therefore, A equals to A. R is reflexive. Next, symmetric. A related to B implies, according to this question given in the question, A equal to P inverse BP. So implies PA P inverse, I am going to find P of, in place of A, what is A? A equals to P inverse BP. So P inverse BP I substituted, again P inverse. In place of A equals to P inverse BP I substituted of P inverse. What is this? PP inverse B, PP inverse. Can we write like this? Yes, I have separated. PP inverse separated, B separated. So this is I, this is I have taken as one matrix, that is BI. And BI is B, BI is B, and IB is B. Therefore, B equals to PA P inverse. Therefore, B equals to PA P inverse. This is nothing but, since for some invertible matrix P, we can let Q equals to P inverse. And then B equals to Q inverse AQ. If you take in place of PQ, then B we can write it as Q inverse AQ. It is B or A. Therefore, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. For R is symmetric since for some invertible matrix P, we can let Q equals to P inverse. Since for some invertible matrix P, we can let Q equals to P inverse. So here B equals to Q inverse AQ implies B or A, therefore R is symmetric. Next, transitive. A related to B and B related to C implies A equals to P inverse BP and B equals to P inverse CP and A equals to P inverse in place of B, this B I have written here P inverse CPP, so I have taken like this, this is, okay, I have written like this, so finally I got I into this matrix, this matrix here, okay, C, P inverse CP, because P inverse I have taken here P, I into P only, P inverse CP, so A equal to P inverse CP. What is this? According to question, according to given condition, therefore, this is nothing but A is related to C, hence transitive. R is equivalence. R is equivalence. Next question. Let R be the set of real numbers. A equals to set of xy belongs to R such that y minus x is an integer. Set close is an equivalence relation on R. Here also reflexive x over x. Actually, what is that? Y minus x. Relation is y minus x. X over x, x minus x will come. Is integer because this is 0. 0 belongs to integer. So it is true, reflexive. Symmetric, x over y, x minus y, an integer. And implies minus of y minus x, an integer also. This is also an integer. So minus some integer and implies y minus x is also an integer. Therefore, x related to y implies y related to x. Next, symmetric. This is symmetric holds. Next, transitive. For transitive, x or y and y or z implies x minus y an integer and y minus z an integer. Implies x minus y plus y minus z is integer. Implies x minus z is an integer. Implies x related to z is transitive. So we got, we have taken x related to y and y related to z. And then we got x related to z. Therefore, the relation is transitive. Therefore, transitive. Hence, A is an equivalence relation. The number of functions f from set of 1, 2, 3, so on 20 on to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on 20, same domain and codomain, such that f of k is a multiple of 3. F of k means codomain part. Multiple of 3 means we have to consider codomain part, we have to consider 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, up to that only. Because next one will be 21. 21 will not come.
because our sets given both sides 1 to 20, 1 to 20. Therefore, 6 numbers multiple of 3 in the codomain set. The number of functions f from 1 to 20 on to 1 to 20 such that f of k is a multiple of 3 whenever k is a multiple of 4 is factorial 15 into factorial 6. You please observe here, I have given you 1 to 20 I have written. 1 to 20. This is domain set. In the domain set, multiple of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Multiple of 4. He has given a particular condition. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. Here in the codomain, multiple of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the codomain 6, multiple of 3. That is, he has given in the question, f of k is a multiple of 3. That is, f of k is multiple of 3. It is given. This is domain multiple of 4. How many this is? 5. How many this is? 6. This is a particular condition given. 1 to 20, 1 to 20, 1 to 20, on to 1 to 20 such that f of k is a multiple of 3 whenever k is a multiple of 4. Then what is the number of functions onto functions? Onto. This is onto. What is the number of onto functions? For that, here, assign the value of f of k for k belongs to set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5. Assign the value of f of k. This can be done in 65 into 5 factorial ways. How it has come. Here, number of onto functions now. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Out of 6, onto means what? We have to, this element must have its preimage. So we have to associate, we have to, assign. We have to assign this one, this side. So for that what I am going to do, I have taken 6 elements. I want to select 6C5, this 6. And then if I select 6C5, if I select 5 from this out of 6, 6C5 selection I have taken, and those 5 I want to permute, I want to arrange in themselves as 5 factorial, that is given 6c5 into 5 factorial. Domain, for example, 5 chairs will be there. Here 6 people are there. Out of 6 people, I want to select 5 people because 5 chairs only there here. I want to select 5 people only. So 6c5 I have selected from this. That is one operation. Another operation is after taking selection 5 people out of 6, I want to promote. I want to arrange 5 people in the 5 chairs in the 5 factorial ways. I have given one example like this. Same case here also applies. Here what should be assign the value of f of k can be done. Okay, for assign the value of f of k for k equals to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That is why I have written like this. Assign the value of f of k. Assign the value of f of k for k equals to 4, 8, 12, like this 16, 18. In how many ways? 6c5 into 5 factorial ways. That is 6 into 5 factorial equals to 6 factorial. And remaining, how many will be here? Out of 6 I have taken 5. Okay. So how many will be? 20 no. 20 no. 15 will be. Here 5 assigned. So how many will be? 15 only. So 15 factorial ways. All the remaining 15 elements can be associated by 15 factorial ways. Total number of onto functions 15 factorial into 6 factorial. That's all. If the function f given by f of x equals to x cube minus 3 of a minus 2x square plus 3ax plus 7, for some a belongs to R is increasing in 0, 1 close and decreasing in close 1, comma 5 open, then a root of the equation f of x minus 14 by x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, where x should not be equal to 1 is, the answer is 7. This is a different question on functions. I found f dash x. F dash x equals to 3x square. Here x cube. What is 3x square? 3x square. And minus 3 into a minus 2 into 2x. Minus 3 into a minus 2 into 2x plus 3ax 3a. F dash 1 equals to 0 because I want to take 1. Why I want to take 1? Because in the question 0, 1 and 1, 5. So what is the extreme point? 1 is the extreme point. As 1 is extreme point, so that is why in place of x I have written 1 f dash 1 equal to 0. F dash 1 equal to 0 I substituted in this, so I got like this. 15 minus 3a equal to 0, a equal to 5. What is f of x? F of x equals to, go there. What is f of x? This one. What is a? A equals to 5 we got. A equals to 5 we got. So f of x, you substitute a, you substitute back a, 5 in place of a, and f of x we got like this. F of x minus 14 we want, because in the question f of x minus 14 we want by x minus 1 whole square. So we are going to convert like this. F of x minus 14 minus 14 this side and that side I adjusted and I got like this. According to the question, f of x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square equal x minus 7. When it becomes 0 for x equal to 7, however x is not equal to 1, satisfied as given in the equation. For if you put 7, then only it will be 0. Therefore, for x equal to 7, this equation is satisfied. That is our question. F of x minus 14 by x minus whole square equal to 0. Where x is not equal to 1, it is satisfied by the value 7. That we got by the value 7. Let ABC belongs to R. If f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c be such that a plus b plus c equal to 3 and f of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y plus xy, for every xy belongs to R. What is this? This is a real valued functional equation given in the question. F of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y plus xy for x comma y belongs to R. Real valued functional equation. And then sigma from n equal to 1 to 10, f of x equals to 330. Its value should be in the option. Its value is in the option. The right option is 330. Let us take the functional equation f of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y plus xy for every xy belongs to R. Because this is real valued functional equation, as we like and according to our view, or as we like, we can take any value of for x, any value for y. So I want to take y equal to 0 because I want to get f of x. We put 0 y and then f of x equal to f of x, f of x. Y 0, f of 0. Y 0, so x into 0, 0, totally it is smash. So f of x equal to f of x plus f of 0. Then what is f of 0? This f of x, if you send that side minus f of x minus f of x will be 0. F of 0 equal to 0. Now again, what is our equation? F of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So f of 0 equals to 0 plus 0 plus c. C equal to f of 0. So c equal to 0. Next I want to take, because x and y real valued functional equation, I want to take y equal to minus x for my convenience and to solve this question. You can take. So y equal to minus x. Therefore, if you take y equal to minus x, keep in functional equation x minus x, f of 0 equals to f of x, f of minus x square. So f of 0 is 0, f of x is ax square plus bx, c equal to 0, so I did not keep, plus f of minus x is ax square minus bx, c equal to 0, I did not keep, minus x square. So like this we got. So 2a minus 1 equal to 0, a equals to 1 by 2. Also another condition is given, a plus b plus c equal to 3. So a equal to 1 by 2 plus b plus c equal to 0 equal to 3, b equal to 5 by 2. Again I want to write the
equation f of x equals to ax plus by plus c. a1 by 2, b5 by 2, I just substituted f of x equals to x square plus 5x by 2. Now I want to write this in the format f of n equals to n square plus 5n whole by 2. I have separately written half n square plus 5 by 2 into n. Sigma I applied because in the question sigma notation I asked it. So sigma n equal to 1 to 10 f of n equals to 1 by 2 sigma 1 to 10 n square plus 5 by 2 sigma 1 to 10 n equals to 1 by 2. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into, what is n? 10, highest. N into n plus 1, 10 plus 1, 2n plus 1, 20 plus 1. So 10, 11, 21 by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. What is this? N into n plus 1 by 2, 10. This is n, 10. N plus 1, 11 by 2. So if you simplify it, you got 330. I think you have completed watching my video today in a different and with different concepts, applications. Likewise, the questions, the format of questions will be given in the competitive exams, JEE mains or JEE advanced. About JEE advanced I am not discussing, only for JEE mains I am discussing. JEE advanced I will discuss after 6 months. First of all, we have to prepare JEE mains, because JEE mains, if you prepare the subject, you will have it. Afterwards, for the advanced, how to prepare? Advanced means the 2 or 3 concepts involved in one question. So calculus, matrix, and exponential functions. Okay. Like that, 3 types of concepts involved in one question. That is for advanced. To learn advanced, first of all, you have to get the knowledge of the subject and the different various questions in JEE mains you must be able to face first. Okay, after 6 months, let us start advanced, about advanced, IIT JEE advanced. Let us start what type of questions will be given, how to solve them, what are the techniques and tricks of it. Like that, we will discuss later. But now you have to prepare right from now only for JEE mains, not before the exams. I am giving you the coaching for 2021 IIT JEE mains and advanced. Okay. For that, first of all, relations, functions. This is our chapter. This chapter is going on. The concepts and subject I have dealt before, and I already told you to do the exercise in NCERT textbook. Parallelly, you must follow my videos. On my videos also, please go through the different various questions. This is the process I told. Okay, please go through like this only. All these, every day you have to be updated. How? By subscribing my update videos if you subscribe my video, if you subscribe my video work, automatically every day my videos will be coming in your mobile, in your channel, in that channel. So every day it will come if you subscribe it. That is why I am requesting you all, share, subscribe, like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell your kith and kin friends and more relatives, even the distant, even in any country, you can send this, and you can tell them to subscribe and share and like my videos, so that every video will be updated. Every day please go through the video and learn different new novel, different questions you will cross and you will watch. You will learn more subject. Okay, this is very important. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow let us meet again. Thank you.